All right, you can call this kaleidoscope of colors. This is a new interactive art installation, lighting up several spots downtown. It's fantastic. It's called Prismatica. I like the title. Christal Young is joining us right now. You check this out. This is very cool, isn't it?
It is very cool. It looks completely different at night than it does during the daytime. So it's a completely different experience when the sun sets. Yeah. But it's fun and it's interactive. And you should go. I was about to say we both should go, but I have been. You should go.
I'm going next.
And we should send all New Yorkers.
Show it to me.
Take a look.
Here it is.
It triggers different senses in our body, you know, and if it gets us to just pause for a little bit, you know, during the hustle and grind every day in New York, then it's worthwhile.
An art installation that's traveled all over the world has landed in Lower Manhattan. Prismatica is a trail of 25 kaleidoscopes that are dispersed between 3 public plazas.
I couldn't figure out whether I'm supposed to look through the glass at what's behind it, or if it's supposed to, at one point, it reflects me with a bunch of different colors. I thought it was a very interesting addition to the city, and I wish it would stay.
Each prism is covered with a special film that reflects all the colors of the rainbow. They stand almost 8 feet tall and catch the attention of many people walking by.
I think they're really cool. It's amazing that they're here in Water Street, and I think everyone should just come check them out because they're a good time.
So you can spin them around. They have chimes and they make a slight noise, and they are interactive. They're meant to be for you to pause and to have some fun.
No matter what time of day it is, Prismatica plays with the light. It's really sunny right now, but check out how cool these colorful reflections are.
Anything that adds to the city that's aesthetically pleasing is always great to see.
It makes you do a second look, to be honest with you. If you're walking by, you can be like, what is this?
At night, Prismatica takes on a completely different look. The colorful prisms glow from within and brighten a normally dark area leading to the seaport. Most people stop and snap a pic, so you can imagine they're a huge hit on Instagram. You can check out Prismatica through April 21st.
I'd love to do that, spinning them around. These are beautiful. There are 3 locations, right?
Yes, so it's 75 Wall Street, 77 Water, and 32 Old Slip. All those areas lead you to the seaport, normally dark, so now it's like bright and lovely.
Beautiful.
Sponsored by the Downtown Alliance. Very cool.
Very nice. And been in other cities now, right?
Yes, you got it. So it started in Montreal. It's been to Boston. It's been to D.C. It's been to Scottsdale. Now it's here.
We got to check it out.
Yes.
This
it's
is good stuff.
And go after sunset for like the extra
I'm going to spin it just like that other guy did. Okay?
Spin it around.
Thank you, Christal.